Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Pam Station. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video I have created this glam look with a nude lipstick and this kind of nude eye look. I hope you all like it. I just created this look using my Huda Beauty the Retrograde palette, Mercury Retrograde, and I'm super excited to use this. So I just thought like playing with this palette. So if you have any of your palette with a similar kind of shade, you can definitely create one. So I have filmed this video just like I was feeling bored and I have no other work right now. So other than cleaning and the same old routine, we can always play with colors. So what's best than playing with colors on your eyes? So I created this look and I really loved it how it turned out. So I hope you all also like it, and if you also would like to see how did I created this look, so let's get started. So I'll begin with tying my hair. So after that I have used the foundation from Maybelline New York Fit Me, and that's my shade 220 Natural Beige. I'm using my brush. I love using brush to apply foundation. It glides smoothly, evenly, on my face, on my neck, everywhere I use this foundation. Next up I have used from Maybelline again the concealer, New Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. And now comes the Huda Boss. I have used the shade Karma for my base. I have started with Karma, so I'm using the brush to evenly smoothen the base properly. Then I use the same brush and the same shade to apply on my lower eyes. The next I'm using that beautiful mauve shade, that name is called as Hot Mess on the palette. So it's a beautiful maroon mauvey shade, a little darker than the peachy shade. So I'm applying on my lower part of my eyes. And the same brush I'm using it for my lower eyes. After this I'm using my finger and taking the shade from the palette. It is Supernova. It's a beautiful golden shade, shimmery shade, and that will really go well on this mauvey and Karma shade, Hot Mess and Karma. So I'm using my finger because it doesn't come on the brush that nicely. So with the help of my finger it sticks to the lid really very nicely. Next up I'm doing my eyebrows with Sugar Cosmetics Arch Arrival Brow Definer in the shade 03 Woody Scooby. After this I have used Kajal, the eyeliner pen from Nykaa Wing in a Bling. It's a new one which they have a stamp on the other end and the liner on one side. It's really nice. I have a detailed review on this pen eyeliner. You can click on the I button above, or I'll share the link in my description. You can check my review as well. Next, I'm using the mascara from Gosh Bombastic Crazy Volume Mascara. This is my favorite. I bought this when we had gone to Dubai. I have my vlog as well. You can click the link in my description on the I button to watch my vlog. I'm not sure where else you can find this Gosh mascara, but if in case you travel anywhere outside India, you definitely must buy this Gosh. It's really, lifts your eyelashes and gives very nice volume. I'm just setting my face here with Stay Quirky Compact, and because there was little fallout from that eyeshadow, so that's the reason. And this shade is Honey I Love You Too. That's the compact name. It's really cute, right? After this, I'm using a lip liner from Swiss Beauty. I don't know the shade, but I will mention the number here. So that's in brown, because I'm using a nude shade from a lipstick after this, and the shade which I'm using is from Maybelline in the shade number 660 Touch of Spice. It's a beautiful pinky nude shade. It's kind of a natural pink lips which gives to you. The shade is really beautiful. You can wear it every day, or if you're going to office or anything, you can wear it every day as well. It's a beautiful nude. I really love the shade. After this, I'm using my favorite blush. Looks like I'm using all my favorite products here. So it's from L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Blush in the shade Neutral Nude, and it's a beautiful nude blush. Next come not my but every girl's favorite Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter, and this is a beautiful highlighter and I'm sure you love it too. And voila, I'm ready. Look at that swag in slow motion I have done. So I'm just opening my hair and showing you giving you a little looks of this eyeshadow I have used. It's a beautiful palette and it's quite heavy. I think the mirror is very heavy of Mercury Retrograde. So if you get a chance to buy it, definitely you need to buy it. That's for my look, and if you created similar kind of look with any of your palette, please do share it on your Instagram stories and tag me there. My ID is just chill with Pam. I have shared all my social sites here. We can connect each other and follow me on my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Please share this video to all your friends and family on your WhatsApp, Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye. And share my video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.